Unique Gaming here. I'm gonna be playing some Subway Surfers. So, I mean, I know these are old games that no one watch anymore, but like, I mean, it's on the phone, so I mean, yeah. Oh my god. It's taking forever, guys, I know, but I'll be back soon. If you guys are wondering what app I'm using this app called Mobison. And yeah, pretty cool. Okay. Freak no. Okay. Nah. Okay, let's go. I don't really get why that fat police has a dog. I mean, it's kind of random. And plus, why are you like in a dangerous spot anyways? It's kind of like weird. It's like, hey look, there's trains. I wanna die. It's kind of weird, you know. But you know, they're just kids. Or whatever they are. So they're not that smart. But they should learn something. Oh, look at that. Look at that Shrek. Oh my god, is this like a new update? There should be like a new update where like the trains are like so heavy and when they are on the bridge it like explodes or like the bridge breaks, which is kind of helpful because then the trains won't get you. But then if you fall in the bridge, then like there's an underwater way, which will be awesome. So yeah, I mean, but I don't know. Fat guy coming. Hey, look, a shoe. Guys, if you guys really want new shoes, play Subway Surfers. You guys get like a lot new shoes with superpowers. Oh my god. Oh, no way. Nah. Okay. Now I play. After this one, guys, I'll just stop because... Okay, you know what? After this one. Oh, the thing flipped. Oh, look, a seashell. Okay, yeah. You got one more white gaming coin? Cause he's poor. That's why he needs this coin. And you guys wanna know where the coins come from? They come from the sky. Yeah, they come from the sky. Yeah. Cause I'm like a pro at this. I'm like the best. Need that coin. You know. Not even. That didn't even touch the train. What? Guys, I got this. Oh, cheat code. What? No. Okay, guys. Guys, like the video, please subscribe, and I'll see you later, bros. Peace.